what counties offers over-the-counter lands available, tax forfeited land, surplus properties, all that stuff. And that's not the right question, y'all. That's why nobody's answering y'all because it's not the right question that's being asked. And no one's going to tell you you're asking the right question, right? You're asking the wrong question. No one's going to say nothing to you. They're just going to, I don't know what you're asking, you know? So they're just going to like ignore you and so on like that. And, you know, at the end of the day, you can find all of this information on the internet somewhere. I mean, you're watching me for a specific reason, right? You're watching because you're trying to get the information. But I'm here to tell you exactly what that is. So I'm just going to name them out for you so you know what states offer over-the-counter or tax forfeited lands or lands available or surplus lands. All right. So it's 22 of them, 22 states. So I got my list right here and I got you guys here, got my camera here. Bear with me. All right. So Alabama is a tax lien state by statute, but they do have a lands available list. So that list is for the tax liens that do not sell at the annual sale. However, if the property stays on that list long enough, if you purchase it, then they're going to send you a deed. They're not going to send you a lien certificate. They're not. Alaska has land sales as well. And these are in alphabetical order, y'all got. This is information that I share like in my course with my students. So pay attention. If you want more details about it, you got to sign up. You got to join the Tax Genius family and get all that information in more details, more granular, right? So far we talked about Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Florida, Maryland, Mississippi, Montana, Nebraska, New Jersey, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, West Virginia, and finally, Wisconsin. So you can't say I never gave you something. There it is. I done gave you everything now. You got it all. And in my way of teaching and sharing and helping people through this process, I'm very generous with my knowledge and very generous with my experience and sharing it so that you can be successful. That's what I pride myself on the most, is helping people be successful. So I'm a full-time real estate investor by trade. That's what I do. That's the only thing that I do. So, you know, people always say, oh, you know, you have a course, you have a training and all that stuff. I'm like, yeah, because I want to buy more real estate, right? So I make money with real estate. You have people here online that make money selling courses. I make money selling real estate, okay? And helping other people sell real estate and me doing deals with like my students. That's what I do. That's my primary bread and butter. It's not selling courses. I put my knowledge into a packaged format so I can help more people. I mean, I'm only one person, so I have to be able to provide a format where I could disperse it easily and everyone can get access to, and you can join a community, ask questions and get the help and the answers that you need. So that's the reason why the course is there. But the whole objective is to actually do deals, all right? Is to actually implement the strategy and buy properties, not talk about it in theory, but actually go and do it. And have someone hold your hand step by step, walk you through the whole process from the beginning all the way to the end, explaining how A affects B, how B connects to C, how C connects to D, and so on and so forth. That's why my students are so successful, is because that's what we all talk about. We're constantly talking about the process, what to look for. How does each state work? What's the differences and the special nuances? How to do the due diligence, what questions to ask, and how to register for auctions, what to do after the auction, what strategies to implement before the auction, right? Because you don't have to go to the auction if you don't want to. You can still buy properties there, but most people don't talk about that, right? So we discuss all of that information in great detail, granular detail in our group, in the Tax Genius family of investors. And that's how you do it. So, you know, if you're really wanting to maximize this, you know, at times is, you know, really changing for a lot of people, and they're looking for more income, they're looking for stability, they're just looking for ways to create another stream of income for themselves and their family. Maybe you're looking for generational wealth, you're looking to increase your own network, you know, you're looking to transition out of your job, or maybe you just want to supplement what you're already doing because you love what you're doing in your job, right? You don't have to like quit your job and, go do something, run off into the sunset and do that. You can stay right where you are and build your portfolio of properties right where you are, right? And just do it one property at a time or whatever pace that you want. So that's why I love it, because I hold your hands and I teach you exactly how to do it, right? So for more information and how to work with me, how to be part of the Tax Deed Genius family, all you have to do is go to thejackyjackson.com. That's thejackyjackson.com. I'm the only one on the internet that announces themselves on the internet. I'm the only one, all right, that announces themselves on the internet. So you go to thejackyjackson.com. It's the same as the YouTube handler, and you can see all of the information there. I'm pretty transparent about the whole process, right? So you can see that. And then the cool thing about what I've recently done, which I had not done before, is I partnered with Affirm. So if you are checking out, like you enroll in the course and you're checking out with Affirm, the cool thing is that you can utilize Affirm as your payment option, and you can actually create a payment plan that fits your budget and fits your needs on your time, right? So many people was asking me for that, and I was like, I don't know how to do all that. So I went with my team and I was like, listen, everyone's asking for, these options. So I was like, all right, let's just figure out how we can get it done. So it's finally done, and I'm pretty proud of that option, because it shows when you're checking out that payments can be as low as $125, like literally as low as $125 per month to get all of this information. And I cover all 50 states, y'all. So it's not just like one state. I cover how to be successful investing in tax liens across the country. From anywhere, right? No matter where you are in your life or where you're sitting, you're on the couch, you're in the kitchen, you're in the backyard, you're at the cookout, you're at the barbecue. We still doing this online together. Then I also teach you how to invest in tax deeds property. So if you're not interested in lien certificates and getting a rate of return, and you really want to own property, I also teach you how to do that, how to find those properties, how to find those lists, how to maximize the list, how to even look at the list to figure out what you're looking at, because you get all this information. You're like, what the is this? This don't even make no sense. So I teach you how to look at the list and how to figure out the data on that as well, and how to do your due diligence on it too, so that you know exactly what you're getting. Okay, that's important. And then what to do after you've owned the property. Okay, that's a big one as well too. So I walk you through those steps as well, where I help you obtain clear and marketable title for your deed, for your property that you just bought. Yes. And then we talk about our exit strategies, like what you want to do. You want to buy and hold, you want to rent it out, you want to cash flow, you want to fix and flip, what do you want to do, right? So we talk about all those things, and I help you through that resources. So that's what's up. So thejackyjackson.com, Tax Deed Genius. Enroll in, using an Affirm if you need that. It's an amazing program that gives everybody an opportunity to enroll in their budget, in their time, in their space, right? So again, we were talking about the 22 the 22 states, excuse me. Most people are always asking about counties. You can't ask about the county. The county is like 3,141 counties across the country, right? So it's a lot of counties. So that's the wrong question. The question is, what states offer these lists, these over-the-counter lists? And these are lists of properties that are available after the auction. So that's what people are trying to figure out. So I had named them already. I'll name them again for those who just joined the live. So it's Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Florida, Maryland, Mississippi, Montana, Nebraska, New Jersey, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. So if you're online and you ain't hear your state, sorry. It doesn't mean that your state doesn't offer opportunities. It just means that your state's opportunity is different. All right. And that's it. Anyway, so it's your girl, the Jackie Jackson, real estate investor and coach. And I will talk to you guys soon. You can always give us or give me, my team, a shout out. You have some information. Visit us at thejackyjackson.com or send us a quick email at info@thejackyjackson, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Oh, remember, this is what all the YouTubers say, because my daughter reminded me. She's like, oh, you're a YouTuber. And I'm like, I am. Remember to click the bell so you never miss a notification. And subscribe to the channel. We love you. I love you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.